Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December love reading. Ayan, so kung kayo ay interesado sa inyong love life, maaari kayong maka-resonate sa reading na to. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates, okay? Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So for you Cancers, ito ang inyong bracelet. Perfect pang regalo. So you can get this from Shopee. Yan. Link on the description. Naka 20% discount tayo hanggang December 20. So let's see, Cancer. What is up? What are the energies for you ngayong December sa love life? Love life naman tayo ngayon. Five of Coins. Oh, meron ditong ghosted or parang iniwan sa ere. Hindi na pinaramdaman. O baka pwede rin kayo yung hindi na nagparamdam. Oh my God. Cancer, what is going on? You have the Tower. Some of you are in a difficult situation, parang confused, na parang, ano nangyari? Bakit? Bakit parang hindi na siya nagparamdam? Wala na. Meron ditong biglang blinak sa social media or kayo yung nang-block sa person na to. You are being led to a new beginning. Okay? Cancer. So, some of you are also trying new things. May mga nagsisimula, bagong trabaho, no? Pwede rin tong, like you are starting something new. Although, nanggaling kayo dito sa parang confusion na hindi nyo maintindihan bakit hindi na nagparamdam tong taong to. Oh my God, look. Oh, nakakaloka. You have the Death card. This is ending. New endings and new beginnings, oh. So, there is a closure in your relationship. May natapos, may nag-end. Pwedeng biglaan ito. Wala nang paramdam ni Honey Ho. Yeah, tinan mo, end of a chapter. This makes sense for you, Cancer. So, I think, if there is someone na umalis sa buhay nyo, wala na kayong, parang, yes, confused kayo, pero alam nyo sa sarili nyo na may dahilan kung bakit siya ng ghost. So, pwedeng kayo na mismo yung nagbibigay ng closure sa buhay nyo. No? Nagbibigay ng closure sa connection na to. Or yung iba naman, kayo yung nang-ghost. Ginost nyo ang isang person na you feel like it's not worth it. Okay? Oh, Four of Swords. You are healing. Wala na kayong ginagawang action dito. And if there is someone na nang-ghost sa inyo, Cancer, I don't think this person is going to reach out. Pwedeng meron siyang sarili niyang pinagdadaanan sa buhay. So, I advise, wag na kayong maghintay ng person na to. And focus on yourself. There's a lot of new happenings, may transformation. Okay? Queen of Cups. Yes, love yourself. Focusing on improving yourself. So, ngayong December, sarili nyo yung bibigyan nyo ng focus. Mas mamahalin nyo. Oo. I think this is somehow naudlot na relationship, na connection. Yes, you are focusing on your family and your money. Divine Masculine, the Star. Yes, wish granted. Alam nyo, yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, gusto nyo tong nangyayari na to be honest, no? Parang, lang to parang confirmation sa inyo na okay, pag itong tao na to hindi na nag-progress yung connection ko sa person na to, then it means na this person is not meant for me. Okay? So ngayon, it's happening. And then dun nyo nare-realize na okay, Kaya pala hindi na nag-pursue kasi hindi para sa akin tong taong to. And yung acceptance na yon, yun yung magli-lead sa inyo to a much better life situation, no? Mas magiging confident kayo sa sarili nyo, mas mamahalin nyo yung sarili nyo, mas magpo-focus kayo sa inyong resources, sa inyong career, sa business ninyo, and may mga bagong goals kayo na isa-set sa inyong life ngayong December. Parang ano kayo unbothered. Yes, see? Focusing on work, on your profession. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng katrabaho nyo tong kasama nyo sa work or pareho kayo ng industry ng person na to. But this person ghosted you. You also have twin flames. Yung iba sa inyo, karmic connection to, see? Karmic connection. Yung iba, ang akala nyo rito sa relationship na to is a soulmate or twin flame connection. But this person is dumaan lang sa buhay mo to teach you a lesson, no? It is not happening to you, it is happening for you. Okay? Merong reason. And ayan, nag-close na yung toxic situation and you are now opening up to a new experience in love. O, diba? I think, this is about you loving yourself more. Self-care, self-love muna, no? And focusing on your family, your goals, your needs, your money. Okay, wait, may tumalon. Tignan natin tong tumalon. Ayan. Timing and intentions. We need to wait for divine timing. Time is healing our wounds and creating perfect condition for our reunion. So, yung iba, okay, yung iba, kailangan nyo lang ng space, ng time, no? Na, pwede kasing ng gusto kasi meron siyang sarili niyang issue sa buhay, may problema siya, hindi niya kayang idamay ka pa doon. So, kaya ng ghost. Pero, kasi, hindi naman natin pwedeng hintayin yung tao na hindi natin alam kung babalik ba, 'di ba? So, dinideprive mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na pwede mo pang ma-experience, ma-enjoy sa buhay, no? So, you are focusing on improving yourself. Yes, I'd long ago shut down those parts of me that wanted love, romance, and intimacy, but you make me long for those things again. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, syempre nami-miss ang person. But life must go on. Ika nga. Hindi kailangan umiikot ang buhay mo sa isang tao lang. You have your own individual life, individual path. See? I'm listening to my higher self now. A higher power is guiding me. Yes. You are divinely guided, Cancer. With the star card here, this is healing. So, whatever this is, let go mo na lang. Focus on yourself. And who knows kung ano yung next, but I think there's a major transformation talaga in your love life right now. Okay? Changes, endings, and new beginnings, and ending a chapter. Okay? So, this is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.